Hey everyone, and welcome to this Kafka tutorial series. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has heard the word Kafka thrown around at work, you are in the right place. Let's get started. This series is for two types of people. First, complete beginners who have never heard of Kafka before. And second, people who have seen the word Kafka at work but had no idea what it actually means. Either way, you are in the right place. So what exactly is Apache Kafka? In one sentence, Apache Kafka is a distributed publish-subscribe messaging system. Let's break that down. Messaging means exchanging data between applications. Distributed means it runs on multiple servers for fault tolerance. And publish-subscribe means producers send data in, consumers read data out, with no direct connection between them. At the heart of Kafka is something called a broker. Think of it like a post office. A broker does three things. First, it receives messages from producers. Second, it stores those messages safely on disk. Third, it lets consumers read those messages whenever they are ready. The producer and consumer never talk directly. The broker is always in the middle. So why do we even need Kafka? Imagine you have 10 services that all need to share data. Without Kafka, every service talks directly to every other service. The result is tangled connections that are hard to scale and hard to manage. With Kafka, all services talk to one central hub, Kafka itself. The result is clean architecture that is easy to scale and easy to manage. Here is a real-world example. Imagine a user places an order on an e-commerce website. That single event goes into Kafka. Now 4 different services can react independently. The inventory service updates stock levels. The payment service processes the charge. The email service sends a confirmation, and the analytics service records the event. All of this happens at the same time without any service slowing down another. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Apache Kafka is a distributed publish-subscribe messaging system. 2. A producer sends messages, a consumer reads them, and a broker sits in the middle. 3. Kafka runs on multiple servers, making it fault-tolerant. 4. Kafka acts as a central hub so your services don't need to connect directly to each other. That is a wrap on Episode 1. In Episode 2, we are going to go deeper into broker clusters and Zookeeper, and learn how Kafka stays alive even when servers fail.